Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change theme to default on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device. Then find the chat on which you want to change the theme. Next, tap on the chat. After that, long press on anywhere of your screen. Then scroll until you find Default. Default is located at Colors and Gradients. It is located at the first. Tap on it. Next, tap on Select. So, this is how you can change theme to default on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.